Hey everyone, Eli here from Deep Discounts Club. Today I'm bringing you a look at these cute mugs from ToCooTo. We've got a cat mug right here, and we've got a sheep mug right here. So we're gonna go ahead and open up the sheep mug first. Very nice and well protected by this styrofoam in the box, as you can see there. And here is the sheep mug. Very nice ceramic, very nicely painted and coated, and a very cute sheep on the front there. So you drink it like so, and it's just a beautiful addition for anybody that loves animals for their kitchen. You can just kind of display it if you like even, but you're gonna have a fun time drinking out of these cups. And let's take a look at the cat one now. Again, well protected in the styrofoam. And here it is. I really like this cat one. Super cute kitty design. It's got the whiskers, very good attention to detail there with the paint. And again, very high quality ceramic. So you can go ahead and drink out of this. Or I guess you could drink out of it with the face facing outward if you'd like. Super cute. Highly recommend this for animal lovers or anyone that just likes to drink coffee, tea, what have you. Thanks for watching.